Hello children of KG2. Today we are going to do cursive handwriting from A to Z, which we have already done in KG1. So take out your handwriting copy and we'll start. You can see in the handwriting copy there are 4 lines. First one is red line, second blue line, third also blue line, and fourth red line. So we'll start from the third line. Touch the blue line, slanting line, go up, touch the red line, again slanting line, go down, touch the blue line, keep your pencil over here, go up, touch the blue line, back, then bring your pencil forward and touch the blue line. This is cursive A. Then keep one finger gap and write cursive B. Red to blue, slanting line, go back, up, touch the red line, from red to blue, half circle, from blue to blue, half circle, and inwards. Cursive B. Now cursive C. Touch the blue line, go up, touch the red line, again same line you go down, touch the blue line, little bit forward. Then one finger gap, cursive D. Red to blue, slanting line, go back, up, down, touch the blue line, go up, touch the red line, go back, touch the blue line, and inwards. Cursive D. Then E. From blue to red, slanting line, go back, touch the blue line, another circle, touch the blue line, go up, touch the blue line, and inwards. This we'll write 4 times. Then we'll write cursive F. Below the red line you keep your pencil, go up, touch the red line, little bit down, go up, touch the red line, then slanting line, touch the blue line, and back. Then keep your pencil below the blue line, go up, touch the blue line, down, again up, touch the blue line. Cursive F. Then cursive G. From blue to red, go up, slanting line, go back, turn, touch the blue line, again go up, touch the blue line, down, touch the red line, and turn. Cursive G. Then cursive H. From blue to red, slanting line, from red to blue, go down, slanting line, then turn, one line nearer to this line, okay? Slanting line, keep your pencil over here, touch the blue line, go back, again bring your pencil forward and touch the blue line. This is cursive H. Then cursive I, blue line, straight line, slanting line, touch the red line, then down, touch the blue line and turn. Then cursive J, blue line, you make a straight line, slanting line, touch the red line, go down, touch the red line and turn. This is cursive J. This also you write 4 times. Now go to the next page. We'll write cursive K. From blue to red, slanting line, then go down, slanting line, touch the blue line and turn. Then keep your pencil below the red line, touch the red line, go down, touch the blue line, then turn, again blue line touch, little bit forward. Cursive K. Then cursive L. From blue to red, slanting line, go back, again down, slanting line, then again back, up, again down, touch the blue line, little bit forward. L. Then cursive M. Touch the blue line, slanting line, touch the red line, go down, blue line, go up, touch the red line, go down, touch the blue line and little bit forward. M. Then N. Touch the blue line, slanting line, go up, red line touch, go down, blue line touch, go up, red line touch and little bit down. N. Then O. From red to blue you make a circle, again go up and below the first line you make the second line. This is cursive O. Then again 4 lines you write. We'll write cursive P now. From red to blue, slanting line, go back, touch the red line. From red to blue, make a half circle, touch. Then cursive Q. From red to blue, make a circle, touch the blue line, go up below the first line, then keep your pencil over here, little bit up, then touch the blue line and little bit forward. Cursive Q. Then cursive R, red to blue slanting line, go back, again up, touch the red line. From red to blue, make a circle, then pencil up, again down, touch the blue line and forward. Cursive R. Then cursive S, blue to red slanting line, go back touching the red line, then make a round touching the blue line, go back, touch the blue line and inverse. Then cursive T, below the red line you keep your pencil, go up, touch the red line, then down a little bit, again up, then slanting line, touch the blue line and back. This is cursive T. Then cursive U. From blue to red, go up, then go down, touch the blue line, again go up, touch the red line, same line you go down and little bit forward touching the blue line. This also 4 lines you write. Next we'll write cursive V. From blue to red, slanting line, go down, touch the blue line, pointed, go up, touch the red line, go back and bring your pencil forward and touch the red line. Then cursive W. From blue to red, slanting line, go down, touch the blue line, up, touch the red line, go down, touch the blue line, go up, touch the red line, go back and bring your pencil forward, touch the red line. Then X. From this blue line you start, go up, touch the red line, make a circle, half, touching the blue line, keep your pencil below the red line, go up, again touch the previous circle and go and touch the blue line a little bit forward. Then cursive Y. From this blue to red you go up, go down, touch the blue line, again go up, touch the red line, go down, touch the red line and turn. Don't make it broad, this should be narrow. Then Z. From blue to red go up, the nice circle you make touching the blue line, third line, again go down, touch the red line and turn. This also you write 4 times and practice. Thank you.